Next, we are going to look at my Clarinervium, which is right here. It's gorgeous. This plant spent the summer outside. There is, where's the newest leaf? Gotta be careful. Here is the latest leaf. It's gorgeous. And then also, this plant is preggers. So I have two fertilized inflows. So let me show you those close up. So we've got this one here that is going to have seeds very soon. Well, hopefully it'll be a few months. And then we've got this one back here that is going to have seeds much sooner than the other one. This one, I believe I pollinated early fall when it was in the greenhouse. And then this one I pollinated probably around October-ish, early October. So we'll have some seeds soon. It does have a new leaf going back here. See if we can pop that around. Gorgeous.